YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Bender back at it again with another banger video, man. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail, today's video is going to be basically me talking about daily driving my Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392, man. 392. So if you are in the market for a Scatty and you trying to see how it's like daily driving this thing, like literally driving this car on a day-to-day basis every single day, dealing with the gas prices, dealing with theft prevention, dealing with cops and all that stuff, please stay tuned until the end of the video and I'll explain to y'all how it is owning a Dodge Challenger and driving this thing on a daily basis. So make sure y'all hit that like button before we start, comment and subscribe. Get your boy to 50k subscribers and I will buy a Hellcat. Give me the 50k and I'm buying a Hellcat. So share this on your stories. Go follow my Instagram, lorShift. I'm gonna throw it up right here. All right, mention me in y'all stories and let's get straight to it, y'all. Let's get this video to 100k likes and 100k views. So everybody watching this right now better like the video. All right, y'all, we're gonna hurry up and get started because I feel like this intro is way too long. So I'm gonna do a little POV drive and then we just gonna talk about daily driving this thing. So let's get to it. Boom. Come on, man. Y'all know we gotta give y'all a remote start. Crazy, y'all. This car is loud, bro. All right, y'all. So pretty much in this video, we just gonna give y'all a little POV drive and explain to y'all or talk to y'all about how it is to daily drive a Scat Pack, man. Whether you're in the market for a Scat Pack Chally or a Charger, this is what I'm dealing with daily driving this thing, going from an RT to a Scat. If you haven't watched my RT video or daily driving an RT video, go watch that. It will be in the description below, so go tap into that. But this one is pretty much for the boys who are looking forward to grabbing a Scat Pack soon or eventually, or already have a Scat Pack. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned until the end. Like I said in the beginning of the video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe because this will be a banger video. Now moving forward, we're gonna start off with the Scat Pack trim in general. So when you have a Scat, overall you got to deal with cops, you got to deal with theft, you got to deal with females sometimes, you got to deal with a lot of things, all right, when you grab a Scat Pack, man. A lot of y'all just look at a Scat as just, oh, it's a Scat Pack, it's fast, I want the attention or whatever. But y'all not really looking at how it is behind the scenes, y'all. Like, it really gets crazy. When you own a Scat Pack, bro, you got to deal with a lot of stuff. I'm going to just talk to y'all about everything I'm dealing with. This video may be short and may be long. I don't know. Just bear with me because I'm free-flowing this thing. I'm just going to talk, y'all. I'm just going to talk. Let's give y'all a pull real quick before we start for good luck. Oh, my goodness. All right, y'all. So pretty much starting off with the Scat Pack trim, man. If y'all don't already know, a Scatty comes with 485 horsepower. It's a fast car. Only downfall about it is that it's really heavy. It's like about 4,500 pounds. It's extremely heavy, y'all. Other than that, you pretty much damn near the fastest car on the road 75% of the time. Unless you got a BMW M whatever the hell competition or a Hellcat or whatever. You know what I mean? Them faster cars, all right? But 75% of the time, you're the faster car on the road. Like, look at this, slow. Look at this dude behind me, slow. Everybody around me, slow. So just keep that in mind, right? This is a fast car, very powerful car. Not only is it powerful, but it's also sort of expensive. You're spending about 30 to 40 grand. Damn, dude, back up. 30 to 40 grand on this muscle car, all right? So only reason why I'm saying all this is because it's also one of the most overhyped car, not overhyped, but it's like one of the most trending cars right now, y'all. Everybody wants this car. Everybody wants an SRT, a Scat Pack. Whether you call a Scat an SRT or not, I don't care. I call it an SRT. I don't give two. I mean, as you can see, I don't care what any of y'all got to say. So anyways, it's an SRT, all right? Or RT Scat Pack. It's a Scatty. So you got people who really want this car. So one of the main things you got to deal with when you grab something like this is theft, all right? When you grab this, you got to make sure you also got some extra money for a steering wheel lock, a kill switch, air tags for a car lock, whatever the hell kind of anti-theft stuff you have, all right? That's the only downfall about really having this car, in my opinion. I mean, I love it. Daily driving it is amazing. I love driving it. Besides the gas, too. The gas is kind of crazy. That's a whole nother topic. We're going to get to that in a second. Yeah, when you get a Scatty, just know you got to spend some more money on anti-theft theft precaution accessories, or I don't even know what you want to call it, bro. Just things to stop your car from being stolen. Keep that in mind. But we just got the theft out of the way. Let's move on to the next topic. I don't know, I guess we can move on to attention. The attention you get with this car. So next topic, we got attention. Once again, like I said, the Scat is a pretty powerful muscle car. A lot of people want it. You feel me? You got Sexy Red rapping about Hellcats, SRTs, things like that, blah, blah, blah. Everybody knows about an SRT. The attention you will get in this car, yo, I promise you, if you pull up to this car and doing 10 miles per hour, even if your car is quiet as hell, bro, everybody's gonna stare. Like, once one of them stares, all of them are gonna stare. I pull up the functions in this car, everybody stares. I pull up the gas stations in this car, everybody stares. I can't even pull up to my job in this car, everybody's staring. It's always something with this car, yo, whether it's people looking or people hating on you. So just be prepared to get that attention when you own a car like this. Yeah, that's all I got to say for attention, y'all. And now that we're on attention, I guess I could just move on to cops. Cops, topic number 3, cops. I don't even got to tell y'all too much, man. A lot of y'all watching this video already know SRTs and cops do not go together. Cops always gonna think you gonna run away, especially if it's a black car. My car is matte black. It's bombed out. Yeah, I don't even gotta say too much on that topic. Y'all already know how I get. Cops this is the cop magnet, bro. I can't even be driving 10 miles per hour on the road, or let's say, I don't know, 40 and a 45 without a cop just spawning behind me and then pulling me over for something just because they want to see what's in my car because it's bombed out. I mean, y'all know what I'm trying to say, y'all. This get critical, man. It's like literally a cop magnet. But like I said, I don't gotta say too much on that topic. If you own an RT, man, even in my RT, bro, like, cop switches on me, bro, like 24/7. I could never get a break. Tint, just for my car being loud, like little things like that, bro. If you're trying to get this car, bro, just be prepared to deal with them cops, man. They gonna get you. They gonna get you, especially if it's tinted out like mine. You definitely gonna attract them. So we got the attention, we got theft, and we got the cop situation. Other than that, let's move on to gas, because a lot of y'all want to know about the gas. This is the big topic right here, y'all. So the gas is bad, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, I got 47 miles left at a quarter tank. My miles per gallon right now, yeah, hold on, y'all ain't want to see that top speed. That wasn't me, that was the last owner who had that top speed, by the way. Miles per gallon right now is 11.8. So if y'all not ready for that, don't get this car. And it's been worse than this. I just had it at 10.5, so it just went up to 11.8. Yeah, I don't gotta say too much on that neither, man. 11.8 is crazy compared to like your average Nissan or Honda who gets 25 miles per gallon or something like that. 11.8 in the Scat Pack, and this is probably one of the best numbers I've seen in a minute. So gas, pretty bad. Not only is it 11.8, but you have to fill up on 93 octane, which is the highest quality gas, premium, which is about like $4 to $5 a gallon. Also, I fill up about, I say, every 3 to 4 days. Every 3 to 4 days is how much I fill up in a Scatty. Compared to the RT was a little better, but once I got that tune, it got pretty bad. But if y'all don't know, I had my RT underground tune. Shout out to them. Yeah, the RT was a little better, but it wasn't as bad as the Scat, obviously, because the Scat got a bigger engine, you know. So yeah, you already know how that is. So gas, fill up about 3 to 4 times a week. It is about 70 to 80 bucks every fill up. And yeah, do the math on that of how much times I fill up a month. Overall, we not looking too good about owning this Scat Pack, man. And I think it's a cop behind me if I don't know. See, that's another thing, bro. Here's a fun fact. Being in this car, I've had to deal with cops so much that I know exactly when one is behind me when they're about 50 feet away. Like, behind me. Like, I know exactly what their headlights look like. Like, it could be pitch black outside, bro, and I could tell when a cop is behind me. I could see their headlights. I could see the little design with the little orange. Like, I know when a cop is behind me, bro. So that's how many times I got to deal with them, like, with owning this car, man. If I was in a Honda, they wouldn't mess with me. If I was in a Nissan, they wouldn't mess with me. So yeah, I apologize if I'm talking too much or if I don't make sense in any of these topics. But if I don't make sense to anything in these topics, go down in the comment section below and I will explain everything to y'all. It's not that hard. Y'all don't gotta bash me, feel me? I know the hate gonna come, but I don't care. Let me give y'all another pull to wake y'all up so y'all not falling asleep. Oh my God. My goodness. All right, y'all, so next topic, we got the maintenance on this car. As far as maintenance, This car was used as a lease vehicle. The previous owner of this car used it as a lease. He didn't do anything to it, nothing, no mods, no oil catch can, no straight pipe. This was completely stock. I don't know if he did anything. I don't know if he went through any maintenance before this. Like, I don't know if, I know this car got broken into because there was glass in the seats and stuff like that. I think somebody in Detroit broke into it. Other than that, as far as maintenance, only problem I've had was the axle leaking, which is the same issue on my RT. My driver's side left rear axle had like goo coming out, or like gut coming out of it. So it was like a little leak. I haven't gotten it fixed yet, but that is on my bucket list. I'm trying to get that fixed. I got to go to Dodge and go through their warranty or whatever. So yeah, that's what it is for maintenance. Other than that, I had no other issues with the car, knock on wood. I've been keeping up with it. I've been filling the oil up and stuff like that. I changed the oil one time, but that's because it was already low when I got the car. Yeah, we 10,000 miles in, and we're looking good, y'all. No issues, nothing like that, besides the axle, obviously. That's all I got, y'all. That's it for the maintenance. Let's move on to the next topic, if there is one. I guess we can also throw this into maintenance or another topic, but also, as far as buying tires, I did have to buy tires one time, starting from brand new ones. I've had the car for about 2 months. I bought tires once recently, like a week ago. And that's just from all the fishtailing and stuff. You're going to get some fishtailing and all that stuff. You know, turning corners and stuff. You hitting the gas a little light. You know, the throttle response really make you turn for real. So you just got to deal with that. And that's about it, y'all. That's all I really got, honestly. Just to summarize everything real quick for y'all. Hopefully y'all didn't fall asleep. If y'all want a part 2 on this, let me know. I'll be sure to make a part 2 or whatever. Or if y'all have any questions, let me know. But to summarize everything about this car, you do got to deal with theft. A lot of people like these cars, they will steal it. So make sure you got some security on that thing. Cop magnet for sure. That's a big topic, cop magnet. Bro, they just pull me over for anything, bro. For tint, just for me being in a black car, bro. They'll pull me over. So cop magnet for sure. If you get in a scat, just be prepared to deal with cops. Maintenance, not that bad. Attention, you get a lot of attention from females. You will get them gold diggers every here and there. You know, they try to hit your DM and stuff like that. If you want a scatty, just know you're gonna have some females. If you post it, they gonna be like, oh, let me get in that SRT, let me get in that passenger. Yeah, you're gonna deal with them. You're gonna deal with a couple of them. So just know that's gonna come too. Don't worry. If you don't got no holes right now, get you a scat. You'll be all right. Not saying I do. I'm just saying, man, this from what my people's been telling me. But yeah, attention, you get attention. You could just be sitting at a gas station. Somebody will walk up to your car and tell you to spin it. Like, bro, come on, dude. Like, I'm just trying to get gas, bro. I'm just trying to get gas, bro. It would be like a Sunday, you just leaving church. A random old head, a random junkie with a ski on would come up to you and be like, yo, spin that shit, bro. Like, all right, dude. I'm not even gonna talk about that though. That's a whole nother thing too. Yeah, so attention, you definitely get a lot of attention. Hellcats, SRTs, y'all know about them SRTs and shit. That's about it, y'all. That's all I really got. If you can stay for the rest of the video. I'm gonna do a POV drive. I'm gonna continue to, you know, drive around a little bit. But if you're still watching this right now, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and you are willingly allowed to leave whenever you're ready. But if not, if you're a real fan, man, stay tuned into the end, man, because we're gonna do like 3 more minutes of driving and then we're gonna cut it. But we're gonna give y'all a quick little pull and then turn y'all up. So yeah, I don't think I got anything else for real. I'm gonna try to think of some more while I'm driving. But you know, owning a Scat, there's trials and tribulations to this. There's pros and cons. It's not bad daily driving it. It's not like you're not gonna get no misfires or hemi ticks or anything like that. Like, don't be scared of none of that. You just drive it regularly. Cool. It's a real fun car, y'all, like, to deal with and stuff. Especially when you do your own modification, straight pipe it and all that. It's a fun car, y'all. Let's make a right here. Oh my God, it just popped. If you have an RT and you're trying to get a Scat, do it. But don't rush. The RT is still tanny, y'all. RT is still, they still got special spots in my heart. So keep your RT. and make it look like mine. Make it look better than mine and how mine was. Don't rush to get the Scatty though. The Scat's tough, but it ain't Hellcat. Yeah, yo, I apologize if I talk too much. I'm just trying to fill y'all with some information before you grab a Scat. So I'm trying to be a W mans, man. That's it. I'm trying to help y'all out. Oh shit, what we got, a car meet? Oh my god, we got a couple motherfuckers down here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna give y'all one more pull to end it because this video kind of boring. So let's get it. Goodness. All right, y'all, one more pull, y'all. All right, y'all. I apologize if the camera angle was crazy on this POV drive, but appreciate y'all for staying to the end. And like I said, I try to fill y'all up with as much information as possible as far as y'all, you know, looking forward to getting a Scat Pack. But it's your boy lorShift, and if you have any video recommendations, let me know in the comment section below. And I got y'all with them videos. But it's your boy lorShift, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. We out.
Simple as that.